Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick overview of cafe management system and I have already started the project. Here you can see that this is the login. Here first thing you observe that we have to enter one username and password in order to log in. So we have two options, either we enter username and password or directly we can click on this continue as guest. Let me show you first what happened when I click on this continue as guest. Let me show you. Here I have clicked on this and we move to the dashboard, and here we see an interface like this, and here we have only one button to place order. Now I'm going to click on this. Okay, so we have this on our screen. Here we can see we have this category. With this category we can select the items. I have added only 4 items for now. You can add multiples inside this. So I'm going to select one, soft drink. Okay, so we have soft drink 1. So this is a search box. When I type a name Coke or when I type something wrong, then that will be removed. So you can search with the help of this search box. So let me show you. In the South Indian, I have added 2 items. So if we have multiple items, so then we can search from that. So I'm going to write dosa. So you can see this, we have find dosa. And when you delete it, all the data will be visible. So when you click on this, the item name is automatically fill inside this box and the price is also filled inside this box. This is the quantity. With the help of this button you can set the quantity. If I need 1, the price will be automatically set. Total is 25. When I move this one to 2, it will be, the price will increase and decrease on the basis of this. Here you can see this. Okay, so one more important thing is that you cannot make changes inside this one. Okay, here you can see this. Whatever I try to write inside this one, nothing happens. So I'm going to add this to cart. When I click on this, here you can see that dosa 75 quantities 2 and price and total amount is also updated. Now I'm going to add idli 2 and quantity will be 1 and click on this. Here you can see this idli is also added. Now I want some Coke, soft drink, Coke, and click. I need 3 of them or 4 I guess. Click on this and here you can see there's a price increase. I want to remove the idli. So how to do that? When I click on this and click on remove, it will be removed and price is also decreased. So in the same way it works. So I want one non-veg thali, so select this and select 1, click on add to cart, and here you can see this, everything is now added. So next thing what we have is we have one button to print the bill. So when I click on this print, here you can see this, it's pop up a dialog like this, which is a software default software. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to just click on this print. Here you can see this page 1 of customer and it's showing where you want to print the bill. So I want to save the bill over here, so I'm going to 5th bill, and when I click on save and it's printing, and after the printing is done and the PDF is saved, here you can see this, the data from this detected view is now cleared, so that you can add new stuff for the user, and the payment, the total is also reset to 0. So let me show you if that bill is saved into my local computer or not. So I have just opened that. So desktop and my folder name is bills. Yeah, here it is, and the 5th one. So I'm going to open this. Here you can see this customer bill. We have added dosa, quantity is 2 and price is 150, Coke 50, quantity 4, 200, non-veg thali. At last we have added 850, 1 and 850, and the total price, total payable amount is 1200. Here you can see that this is a PDF file. You can print it later or you can save this for further use if you require. So here you can see this, now PDF is also generating. So I'm going to show you each of these stuff in very detailed and precise manner. So what you have to do is, first you have to subscribe and just stay tuned with me. After this, let me move back to our project, and here you can see this, we have one option to log out. So I'm going to log out for now. When I click on this, we move to this. After this, I'm going to enter or log in with the username and password. So my username is btakedays and my password is pass. And when I log in, here you can see this, we have now multiple options, that is place order, add items, update items, remove items, So when I click on this, yeah, I have shown you how this works, everything. After this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one item. So I'm going to add one soft drink. So I'm going to add something Sprite. If spelling is mistaken, then sorry for that. Okay, so I'm going to add the amount for this one. So Sprite is now costly nowadays, so I'm going to add this one 150 and add item. Data processed successfully. It means that data is saved. Click on OK, and here you can see this, everything is clear. Now check that if this in the category soft drink we have Sprite or not. Here you can see this, we have it, Sprite 150. Yeah, this works. Add item is now working. Suppose we have mentioned the wrong price for the Sprite. Okay, so we have to search for Sprite now. Okay, yeah, here we have. Click on this and the data is filled over here. If you want to change anything, you have to just do that like this. I'm going to set this one to 120 and click on update. This will update the data, and you can see that this refresh, and here you can observe that Sprite soft drink and price is 120. In the same way, you can move over here and search for this soft drink. Click on Sprite. Now the price is 120. You cannot make changes inside this, so this one is working fine. The same way, you can also change the name of this. So I'm going to change the name of this. Which one? Yeah, I'm going to change this one to Veg Special Thali. So HALI, and when you update this, yeah, Veg Special Thali. Yeah, name is also being updated. In the same way, you can update the category as well. The next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove item. So what I have added now is nothing but Sprite. Here you can see that the Sprite is visible. So I want to remove this item. So when you click on this, this will ask for user to if you want to delete this or not. So here we have one more option. If you don't know how to delete this item for first time you open the software, so here you can see there's a question is in your mind is how to delete. When you click on this, you will see how to delete. Click on row to delete the item. When you click on this, delete item, it's asking for your confirmation. If you click on cancel, nothing happens. Here you can see this, still I can find Sprite. If I click on yes or OK, data process successfully, and click on OK, here you can see this, now the Sprite is hidden. Go over here, click on this, search for soft drink, and we have only Coke over here. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see this, every feature I have shown you clearly and how these all stuff work. So I hope you like this. So just stay tuned. In the further videos, I'm going to design all of these stuff very detailed, starting from the login page and then the dashboard and all of these stuff in very detail. So that's it. Keep supporting and just subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.